On September 11, 2025, Bethan Hardison, activist, asked Yara Shahidi, activist, in a Forbes interview on how she felt about her world right now. Yara answered honestly by saying she is terrified and would like a plan to fix it. I empathize in that no one should live in fear. In my opinion, this sounds like a plea for help. I like to help, but how? When Yara Shahidi was younger, she did an equality speech on October 19, 2018 at the Gleason Respect Awards. I argue the speech is the hypothesis to fix her world and reduce her fear. In April 2024, I published my book on Amazon based on this hypothesis, showing that prevention will lead to equity and that equity will lead to equality. This hypothesis will fix the political, economic, and social problems in her world and our world. This nonprofit channel is a letter to Yara Shahidi and teaching Yara's hypothesis to the public in order to better our world. In the end, Yara Shahidi will get the Nobel Peace Prize for her hypothesis. Dear Yara Shahidi, this is chapter 31, Survival of the Friendliest. This chapter is the conclusion of this paper dealing with the beginning of equality for all and not the bet with my niece. This chapter is about how humans became the most dominant species on Earth by being friendly. The research points to dogs on why this is true. What does dog evolution have to do with human evolution? Dog evolution teaches scientists on how humans got ahead in the game of life. In the game of life, species have to evolve a new way to be friendly, and this leads to a new form of cooperation. 100,000 years ago, humans were not alone. 5 other humanoid species were interacting and competing with humans for food. These 5 humanoid species were Neanderthals, Decivians, Homo naledi, Homo floresiensis, Homo luzonensis, and maybe some late surviving Homo erectus. Humans even interbred with Neanderthals and Decivians, and every human today has some DNA of Neanderthals and Decivians within them. For the past 40,000 years, Homo sapiens, or humans, have been the only humanoid species on Earth. Why? Scientists think, and what dog research points to, is that humans were the friendliest among the humanoid species. Humans evolved being friendly like empathy. Empathetic friends care what happens to others. Empathetic people make great friends. This is why humans survived, because humans were the friendliest. The survival of the friendliest is the successful evolutionary strategy needed for humans today, as it was so long ago. This is why empathy is so needed today, because it will get rid of racism. It will lead to a new path for cooperation for humans to survive to a type 1 civilization and then a type 2 civilization. In a type 2 civilization, nothing in science can kill the human race. Humans will be immortal in a way, as stated before. With this freedom from extinction from Mother Nature, and with all humans cooperating with one another, then we as humans should find God, if it exists, and find out why we are here. With the vast knowledge and technology, humans will gain in a type 1 and a type 2 civilization, then it is our purpose in life to answer this question. We owe it to ourselves as a species. Before we as humans begin our journey to find God, if it exists, we as humans have to start teaching the cooperation of empathy and happiness in school from 2 years old to graduation. With prevention to equity to equality, with the topics in this paper, then the 18 categories in Lamana Plus will flourish for all to be a part of. If being friendly with empathetic cooperation is the recipe for success in the game of life, as the research suggests with our ancestors, then our future is so bright with Lamana Plus, finding God if it exists, etc. This, in the end, as Superman said in the movie Man of Steel, will make every human have the capacity for good by making Dr. King's dream come true with the beginning of equality for all. It's a short chapter. It's Nissan, short conclusion. It's Nissan Shigo. Kuju. Konnichiwa. Lalun. Hola, buenos dias. Adios. We all win together. Nada.